Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird.
Oh, hey, dudes! How's it hanging? It's me, the Surfin Bird. Yeah! Hey, you know what? Summer is just around the corner, and I can't wait for it to get here. Got the board all waxed, got my head feathers all styling, and I'm ready to catch some awesome waves. Hey, you know what else is awesome? I could be a part of your summer show or your church ministry. That's right, dudes. You could own me. Want to know how? Well, just surf on over to that website right up there. It has all the details. And the best part is that you'll be helping this guy down below me become an even better puppeteer and puppet builder. You see, he wants to attend the Beyond the Sock Puppet Workshop. Well, he'll get trained by two of the best in the biz, Noah McNeil and Peter Linz. Dude, if you're learning from these guys, you're learning from the best. So, deadline's almost here, so don't be a Barney and miss out. Just check that out, check me out, and later today, well, got a jet, dudes. Cowabird, go!